sun came up, but I slept a little late. No alarm clock ringing, no race to beat the day. 43 years in perpetual motion, running on coffee, dreams, and pure devotion. Now the only thing that's calling me is the sound of the waves and a warm sea breeze. 43 years in perpetual motion, now I'm floating with the tide, not chasing the ocean. 10 days into retirement, I'm learning something new. The world keeps turning even when I slow down too. Bare feet in the sand, a cool drink in my hand, watching another sunset paint the land. After 43 years in perpetual motion, I finally found my island state of mind. Maybe I'll fly my drone over the shoreline today. No schedule waiting, no deadlines in the way. Morning coffee lasts as long as I please, living life one slow moment at a time with the breeze. Funny how freedom feels so right when you're no longer racing daylight. I gave my best through every season, every early morning had a reason. Now it's time to let the trade winds lead, finding joy in everything I used to miss. 43 years in perpetual motion, building a life with heart and devotion. Now every sunrise writes a brand new page. No clock to punch, no hurry, no stage. Here's to the memories and the miles I've known, to every life I touched along the road. After 43 years in perpetual motion, I'm finally living life